Josh, I'm on the phone with Josh. I think that I now have the neon lights hooked up the way that they're supposed to be. Let's test them out. Oh yeah, this is a shout out for Super Dogs. Oh, god damn it, they're still not working, I don't think. Dude, I don't know. They're supposed to be flashing at this point. Let's see. I'll throw it on in a song. Okay. Come on. Okay. It's playing a song now. Let's see if this works. Here we go. Oh, they're working. Oh, dude, they're fucking working. They're working. Check this shit out. They do work. Dude, they're flashing like perfectly now. Yeah. Da 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 da. Oh, this is sweet. Yep. I still need to get a replacement bulb for that marquee light. Sweet.